morning, Alpha Wolves. Today we will be having our Kwanzaa celebration in the NPR, and today all of our students will be learning about the 7 principles. We will be providing each student a passport upon entering in the NPR, and on the passport it will state what each station means and what you will be getting from each station. Each table will have different activities related to the principles of Kwanzaa, and upon exiting the NPR, we will have a candle lighting ceremony for each classroom.
Okay, you ready too?
Ya estamos completos.
Yeah, you. Okay. Yes, he did it. Yeah, can you go over there, please? Here. Y'all snatch.
Ajá, pero
Here.
no fighting.
Okay, Fred, no fighting.
No sé cómo puta se escribe, pero.
Hey, what is that?
Question.
Me, my.
So how old are you?
My name.
You didn't even put your name.
Oh. Maje, salió en la cámara cuando le pediste el Instagram. Decirlo otra vez. Ey, decirle que no el Instagram. Hey man, la reta.
So this station is the Umoja station, which is unity. That's one of the 7 principles. At this station, what we want to do is capture everybody's ideas on how to make more unity in the school. And after the posters go on here, we're going to create a web to show how it's all connected. So this is the Umoja station. It's about unity.
So this station is about self-determination on what motivates you. So this table is like this is our main principle, and then it's to define ourselves, learn ourselves, aim for ourselves, and speak for ourselves.
And they're making affirmations that they can keep and look at later on throughout the year, put it on their mirror or on their laptop so they can see every day and say every day. Okay.
So in this principle, we're gonna look at the word 7 principles, and each student is gonna be able to make a word using these letters. And when they're done, they're gonna write it on a Post-it and then go up and stick it on our candle, right? So word even, E-V-E-N. I used the E-V-E-N from 7. I made it even, right? And I took those letters and made a different word. So you guys got to use these letters given and make a word from the letters, okay? All right. So everybody grab a Post-it and a marker and make a word using the 7 principles, and you're gonna make a word. So the next word can be nice. N-I-C-E, right? There's an N in there, there's an I, there's a C, and there's an E. So the next word can be nice, right?
Let me explain to them. Okay, chicos. So de estos son las 7 principles. Son 2 palabras que ustedes tienen que usar una letra para poder poner en esta sticky note, seleccionando de acuerdo a las letras que están aquí. Como digamos, la N la pueden hacer para nice, pero si ustedes quieren poner la palabra en español, ustedes pueden hacerla sin ningún problema. ¿Nico?
Nike.
¿Nike?
Como Nike.
Oh, Nike. Oh my God. Son palabras, me refiero a palabras que pueden pueden ayudar estas 7 principales. ¿Oyeron? Chicos, una palabra, digamos, ¿quién quiere hacer una palabra con la I? Con la I. ¿Una idea? Iguana, yeah.
Everybody grab Post-it. Everybody got to do every station.
Tiene que hacer
So everybody grab a Post-it.
So this is Dejean's Credit Union, and so here at the Dejean's Credit Union, we are community changers. So what we're doing is there is no such thing as a perfect school, but there is an ideal school, and which is just a person's idea of something. So every kid who comes here has $10,000 to invest back into their school. How will they invest their money? They can invest it in lunch, school supplies, field trips, elective, school activities, or school upgrades. They can spend the money however they want. So which ways will you spend your money to make Dejean a better school? And that's my station.
The 5th principle of Kwanzaa is Nia, or purpose. So what we're doing here is we're getting in tune with what it is our purpose is in this life. For example, my purpose is to educate. My purpose is to speak to the people. My purpose is to use my art to tell a message of freedom. Okay? So I want everybody to take a minute to think about what your purpose is in this life. I want you to write it down on a sticky note, right? And I want you to post it right on there. Okay? I'm Mr. Brown, assistant principal.
What's good, Alpha Wolves? I'm Yushay. Today we are promoting and honoring Kumba. 6th principle of Kwanzaa in Swahili means creativity. So right here we are exploring and promoting creative expression from our youth today. Have a good one. Move here.
This is called the Kanara. I hear everybody say Kanara. The Kanara is what holds the 7 candles for Kwanzaa.
Primero que nada, calladitos todos, si no voy a hablar para sus casas. So, esta es una Kanara, es lo que está deteniendo las 7 velas.
Kwanzaa is a celebration of African and African American culture that started in 1966.
Kwanzaa es una celebración afroamericana que empezó en 1966.
Each of the 7 tables represents the 7 principles, and for a week, every night, families gather around the Kanara and light it.
Cada de las mesas representan los principios y cada noche las familias se reúnen en la mesa para celebrar uno de los principios hasta que llegan al último.
The ceremony starts with a black candle of unity, which is table 1. Then you light a red, then a green, and repeat for the whole week.
La celebración empieza con la vela negra, que es la vela de la unidad, y después cada día es una roja, luego una verde y una roja, y una verde hasta que llega al final.
On behalf of the African American community at Dejean, we want to thank you for taking part every day and celebrate